So now what's happening here is just this JSON is now broken because we have an additional value here. So when we added that, it was using this. And now that this is here, that JSON is different. This is no longer the previous message. So we just need to go into the simple memory and we're going to take this out. We can scroll down and now we're going to grab the chat ID again. And now it's going to directly reference the module itself. So we won't have that issue. We can test the agent. It's having another issue. And we're actually having the same issue here. So again, whenever you have $JSON, it's always referring, if we're here in this module and we refer to $JSON, it's always referring to the previous module. And when we first set up the agent and the memory, $JSON was this module, but then we added the reply. So this module doesn't have that same message. So all we're doing is correcting it to use this node, come back down to the bottom. We're going to grab the message. But now we run into an issue here because that message does not exist. So there's a couple different ways that you could fix this. I'm going to go ahead and use a little trick here. I'm going to jump into the simple memory and I'm just going to grab the text here since we already know that this text works, and we'll come back to the agent and we need everything up to the message. So I'll just replace this and remove those extra curly braces there and we should be good to go. But let's go ahead and test it, make sure everything is all right. And I'm actually seeing we mapped in the wrong value here. I didn't map in the actual text from OpenAI. So we'll pull this back out and we'll drag this in just like that. And let's go ahead and test this again. And there we go. So basically what you're learning there is just we didn't map in the right values and you have to be careful about how you do that. So there's a real world test of running into some issues and fixing that. And now we have our response from the agent.